The best weight you will lose in life is the weight of other people's opinion. It is very common that most people like considering people's opinion, which is at times very good and very okay. But this does not mean that you should consider all people's opinion, because in the end, you are the only person who knows what you're exactly doing. The failure and the success ultimately rest on your shoulder. Whatever you do in life, people will have their opinion. From the fact that people love different things. Some people love slim women. Some love thick. And no matter, it is considered that almost all women love tall men, but there are those again who prefer short ones. When we go to colors, my favorite color is gray. But what about your favorite color? Your favorite color might be red. It might be green, black, blue, white, or whatever color. That one means we have different choices and preferences in life. And this is derived from how we perceive our feelings, from how we think. The thinking and the preferences result into choice. The choice that you take is yours and yours alone. That's why it is true when people say you should only take advices, but don't let people decide for you. People who judge you, criticize you, sometimes praises you. There are some praises which are also false. And there are those who congratulate you even when your milestone of achievement is still raw. It's not yet big. So the opinion of other people can be a big limiting weight in your life. You might go to gym to lose a fat belly. You might go to gym to reduce your weight, do exercise a lot. That is very important. But the first best weight is the weight of what other people say about you. Some people say the weight of the gym is the best way to lose. Well, I don't think so. It is one of the good ways to lose. The heavy weight, because you will become more healthier. That's the fact. But did you realize that even at times, the heavy weight is just a perception of how people prefer your shape? Matter of fact, there are those who love fat people, who love long-chest people. Socially, it's just a perception, which comes from people's opinion. So don't let people's opinion weigh you down. Thank you for watching Motivation Podcast on Acholi Pro Evo TV. And if you subscribe, you will get other videos. Thank you.